everyone, I'm Jenna and I'm here with your solution of the week. When Allied Creative was looking for an engaging way to promote their client Showtime's new show, The Shy, they took to the internet for pictures and videos that looked similar to the structure they had in mind. They knew they had found what they were looking for when they discovered Structural Graphics' Flipbook Design. So they turned to their longtime and trusted printer and Structural Graphics' valued customer, Candid Litho, for advice, and they knew exactly where to go. Candid printed the project while Structural Graphics was responsible for the structural design, the die cutting, and the assembly. It was important that this project be both unique and engaging because it would be sent to content distributors, cable operators, and other influencers who would promote the new show to their viewers. Let's take a look at the finished piece. In addition to the unique format, the flipbook was printed with a rough sandpaper-like textured UV to add a gritty feel that was in line with the genre of the now popular series. Once opened, you'll notice that when you pull the tab, the pages of the booklet turn automatically and unexpectedly. The characters are lined up on the inside, with each one having their own unique die cut. The reason being that there was not one main character of the show, so Showtime wanted to be sure that each character was given equal prominence. When asked about the results, Showtime reported that their recipients were very impressed, and our customers were both happy and confident with the entire process from beginning to end, so much so that they turned to Structural Graphics for another Showtime project directly after. That project will be featured in an upcoming Solution of the Week in the near future. For more creative inspiration like this, visit us online at structuralgraphics.com. I'm Jenna. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time.